we're gonna get him out of our tent because I need to sleep and not with him. Okay. Ooh. My stomach's already nervous about all this. Okay, all right, all right. Okay, listen here, Joseph. You're gonna need to climb on here, and I'm gonna take you outside to nature where you belong, because please do not stink up this place. Oh God, just don't look and it'll be fine. Okay, good. Do what I say, just do it, just do it. Can you hurry up, because I don't want to do this anymore? Okay, you're doing good. Oh God, you're gonna go fast. Oh God. Go out. Go be fine out here. Okay. Yuck. Okay. Okay. Whew. Oh man. Oh God. That was nothing. Oh God.